Remember the past. Yes, plan for the future, but live in the moment. Although they make for excellent science fiction, there is no constantly reoccurring past or infinitely occurring future. Neither the past nor the future presently exists. In an ever-continuing cycle, the present immediately eradicates the past and instantly creates the first moment of the future. Thereby, as the present instantaneously begins to create the future, simultaneously the past ceases to exist. The philosophy of the divine law. So, if you're going to live, do it now. Be well.